Hello friends! Today we're gonna talk about the duality. In mathematics, it's not a theorem but a principle. And duality principle states that for any true statement, the dual statement obtained by interchanging unions into intersections and interchanging universal set into null set. And if dual of any statement is the statement itself, it's said a self-dual statement. So let's see example. Example: the dual of A intersection B union C is A, let me write it here, is A. We interchange intersection into union B and interchange union into intersection C. So if we denote it by S, the dual of the set is equal to S star. Okay, but what about the compound proposition? So the dual of a compound proposition that contains only logical operators, for example, and, or, and negation, is a compound proposition obtained by replacing and by or, and replacing or by and, replacing 0 by 1, replacing 1 by 0, also true by false, false by true. And what else? That's all, I guess. So the dual of S denoted by S star, as I mentioned before. And let's find the dual of some propositions. But remember that the negation remains the same. Okay? So, P or negation Q. Find the dual of this proposition. The dual of this proposition is P. We replace or by and the negation remains the same. So that is the dual of this proposition. Let me show you another example. Okay, negation P, disjunction Q, again disjunction, or conjunction true, the statement true. Okay, let's find the dual of this statement, this compound proposition. The dual of this compound proposition is, we replace disjunction by conjunction and the negation remains the same. Negation P, conjunction Q, again conjunction, we replace disjunction by conjunction, or disjunction, we replace true by false. If we denote it by U, for example, the dual of U is equal to, we denote the dual of U by U star. So U star is the duality of U. Next example, let R be 0, 1, x negation, x1 and x2, x1 or x2. So we need to find the dual of R, and let's denote it by R prime. Then R prime will be, we replace 0 by 1, 1 by 0, x negation remains the same, x1 and x2 will be x1 or x2, and x1 or x2 will be x1 and x2. So R star is the duality of R. Next example, let U be, let me denote it like that. Let U is x1, x2 be x1, x2, x1 negation, x2 negation. We read it as x1 conjunction x2 disjunction x1 conjunction x2. If we want to find the duality of U, we denote it by U star x1 x2. x1 x2 means that here in our compound proposition we use just two variables, just two propositions, okay, x1 and x2. So it will be x1 disjunction x2 conjunction x1 negation disjunction x2 negation. That is the duality of U. And what about the sets A union B intersection U, let it be Q. The duality of Q is equal to Q star A intersection B union. We interchange U is universal set, by the way. We interchange U into null set. So Q star is the duality of Q. That's all for today, but if you have any unclear part, please let me know by writing comment below. Okay, bye bye.